Today we're diving into something wildly unexpected. A Victoria's Secret lingerie haul for a yoga challenge. Yeah, you heard me. We're putting these delicate little pieces to the test. Downward dogs, warrior poses, and a few moves that might leave Victoria's Secret speechless. The question is, can this lingerie actually handle the stretch? Let's meet today's contenders. This one's a lacy number, delicate, luxurious, and clearly not built for stretching. But you know what? Let's see if this little guy is ready for the warrior pose. I mean, don't you see it? They're practically screaming, do squats in me. All right, guys, let's be honest. This can go terribly wrong. And by terribly, I mean there could be a catastrophic wardrobe malfunction. Let's just pray that these delicate little numbers were somehow engineered for high stretch situations. Pray for me. Let's start with the classic downward dog. Oh yeah, this is exactly what this lace was designed for. Look at that stretch. I mean, first of all, let's admire the downward dog that I'm doing because it's been a while, but so far, this lacy little number is holding up. Okay, here we have the triangle pose. Okay, this one is a risky move, but as you can see, the material, this lacy, beautiful number in black is holding up. It's perfect for the holidays into New Year's, and if you have to do some funny moves in between, then you know, this one got you covered. I love this set though, I'm not gonna lie, because I love anything that's sparkly, shiny, shimmery, diamondy. So this one fits the bill, and give me a thumbs up. Your girl is pretty good on this this triangle pose over here. Not too bad, and I'm a runner, so I need to stretch my hips anyway. But rest assured that this one has you covered on all angles. It did not move. I got mine in a size small, and the bottom briefs is a size medium because your girl is finally building her legs after being sick for so long. Now this pose right here is called a cat-cow stretch, and of course I'm good in it because if you know me, my middle name is Cat. I am a cat. You just probably don't see it at this moment, but just remember, I am a cat in person. Shabby, not too shabby. Give me a thumbs up if your girl's in shape. Do you love this racy number in pink? This is so beautiful. It also comes in a baby blue. And so far, I am surviving this challenge. I'm doing so well. There hasn't been a wardrobe malfunction. Nothing is popping out. Everything is holding in place. The stretch on this is incredible. I mean, it feels like I literally have nothing on, which is the case here. I pretty much have nothing on. Wow! I gotta pat myself on the back because so far, so good, my lovelies. And don't you worry about a thing. Everything will be listed down below. So far, it's yoga approved. Now look at this beautiful number. I love, as I mentioned before, anything sparkly, shiny, shimmery. This one screams Christmas, New Year's. I mean, it just screams yoga. This one, what I am attempting here is called the one-legged chair pose. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Your girl still has skills over here, stretching away in this racy number in red. So far, so good. Can I even say that I think it's almost yoga proof? Nothing has popped out. Nothing crazy has happened. I'm surviving so far this yoga challenge. So far, they're making the cut. This number right here is a little bit racier. It has that thong style in the back. If you're not into that, then this is one I don't recommend. The bra itself is a little bit heavier, but it's only because it has so much embellishments on it. But this one is beautiful. It's fun. And let's see if his husband approved. What do you have to say about this, Chris?
Husband approved in private, not on YouTube.
And last yoga move for this video is called the tree pose. This move for me was super simple and it felt so good on my hips. If you are a runner, try this pose, and more importantly, try it with this beautiful lacy number. I love this set. It's super comfortable. Look at the color. It's like a Bordeaux with the black lace trimming. It has like this loose fit. Honestly, with this number, I can do any type of pose and don't feel like something bad is gonna happen. I mean, I can even go outside to the store with this if I wanted it to. However, I probably would need my husband with me at that point, but I digress. That's a whole other video. I mean, I'm getting so inspired. I think I'm going to meet my husband at the gym with this outfit.
No, thank you.
And that's a wrap. If you loved watching this chaos, or you just want to see more crazy videos, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which outfit would you never, ever try yoga in. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay fabulous. Meow.